Hey everyone, I'm here to show you the tutorial on how to use multi-line text in AutoCAD. So, you can find multi-line text here at home by clicking text, or you can also find it in annotate section, or you can use the command mtext. So as you can see, it is similar to single line text because we also have to specify the first corner. The only difference is that it has the letter ABC on it. So as you can see, you can drag it and it gives you width. So let's try a sample text. It gives you the text editor which you can edit your text. Has style, you can edit your formatting, your paragraph, you can insert columns, symbol, and fields and other stuff inside it. So what do you think happens if we keep on typing inside the box? And let's press enter. So as you can see, you are still inside the box. So you can close it by clicking the close text editor section at top. By clicking the sample text, you can move it by clicking this one here. You can move it anywhere you want to move it around. By clicking this one, you can adjust the width. So let's leave it here for now. And by clicking this one, you can adjust the height. So if you want bigger objects to see your text, use multi-line text. If you want faster things to happen around your text, use single line text.